at Caribbean Market. It looks like they just uncovered some bodies. There's a smell, and there's a lot of activity right here. Who threw that bottle? It smells here, and there's a big crowd. Looks like they might have just recovered a body or something. Hold on, they're throwing bottles over here. Walk. Yeah, I almost got hit by one. Hold on. I think they found there's a body up there. They're finding stuff and they're just kind of grabbing it. Clothes and just, I don't know, they're just grabbing stuff. Let's go. People are just scavenging. People are getting whatever they can. Look at this. Wow. Whew. Craziness, man. And it's funny because you could be in some parts of the city and completely forget that there was an earthquake, and then you can come here. I think you went down this way. Watch out. I'm back at Caribbean Market. Yesterday, this bulldozer here was clearing out some debris, and the Caribbean Market fell on some. It crumbled some more. It collapsed some more, and there were 8 people trapped in the debris. As you can see, this is a very popular site. A lot of onlookers are here constantly, probably around the clock. But here, this was definitely a little taller yesterday. So supposedly an additional 8 people were killed here. An additional 8 people. Still continues to be a popular site. But it seems a little less rowdy than it did yesterday. I guess now the people who were scavenging are pretty scared to go into the rubble.